Simole, get a codil. Are.
My name is Prince. I live in Moses. And what I'm
How many years are you?
5.
We greet you from Moses Health Post, Botswana, under the Tomé District DHMT. I'm here with my boss.
My name is Mrs. Kerapet Mutawot. Today will be talking to you about mapping. Mapping of Moses will help us, the nurses and the volunteers at the home-based care program, to care and deliver consistent service to our patients. We would like to map our home-based care patients, our TB patients, and we will also include the homes of our registered malnourished children. Thank you.
Yes. Thank you very much. I am Omoyuko Dole, the nurse here in Moses. Bye.